Hey guys, Scott here, coming to you live once again from our greenhouse barbecue here at Johnson's Home and Garden. And today we're making one of my favorite dishes. We're making smoked brisket chili. This is a really easy recipe. We're using the Hoff Chuck Wagon chili powder. We're following their very simple recipe right on the back of this jar. The toughest part about this cook is actually making the brisket. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our brisket pieces. They're all cubed and ready to go. We're going to brown them up in this cast iron pot, and these pieces really need room to brown, so we're going to do it small batches at a time. So let's get started. We're just going to toss a few at a time so we can make sure these all get nice and browned up. And then we're going to add the rest of our ingredients once we've done that. All right guys, our meat's ready to go. It's all browned up nice. We're gonna add some ingredients now. Tomato paste. Hoff's own chili powder. Delicious stuff, by the way. We've got the whole line of Hoff sauces and powders here at Johnson's Home and Garden. Salt. So we're going to cook these ingredients in for about a minute or so. Alright guys, our meat is all seasoned and ready to go. We're going to put the rest of our ingredients in. Beans. A very controversial topic when you're talking about chili. To bean or not to bean, that is the question. And my opinion on that whole thing is if you're making your chili the way you like it, then that's the right way to do it. If you like beans, add beans. Now if I were making a traditional Texas red type of chili, I would not add beans. But today's cook, we're going to make it with beans. Alright guys, we're all mixed up, we're ready to go. We've got our Traeger preheated to about 250 degrees. We're going to go ahead and take this. We're going to set it in there just like that, and we're going to leave it in here for a few hours. We'll see you when it's ready to go. Alright guys, here we go, our chili is done. Boy, that looks beautiful. Okay guys, that's our video for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this delicious. I definitely do. Like the video, subscribe to our channel. We got some other cooking tips out there, and we'll see you next time.